Tá rud just díomharach ag tarlú anseo in sa Glassworks agus é fiddleirí agus cláirseoirí agus gitáirithe agus le banjo.
Tonight we're at this beautiful venue for an incredible strings concert with Rant, one of my favourite bands from home. Katrina Mackay, Chris Stout, and all that Casey, Artie McGlynn, and wee Banjo Fee. It's like an incredible all-star lineup, just having a really great time.
This is our first time in Derry as a band, and we're having a great time since we arrived. Really friendly people, lots of tunes going on, and we're really enjoying the concert tonight so far.
It's always lovely to come over to Ireland to hear the fiddle music from here and get tunes with them, so hopefully later in the night we'll maybe meet up with some of them in the bar.
There's been great creativity, imagination and such energy around the festival this year, and it's only in its 4th year, it's in its infancy, so there's a world of opportunity up there and I can't wait to see what's going to be kicked up for next year.
We all need more sunshine in this world. We all need more sunshine in this world.